Okay. Oh my goodness. These couple of days so so much happening. Hello dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. This is so beautiful, and something makes me very, very happy that it's been long time that I only do loser unboxing and nothing winner unboxing. And today I am going to do a winner unboxing. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, is this right? I am so happy. Sorry for the noise. Where did I put my knife? Oh, you can see it. And they are so quick. Just a couple of days ago, we reached to a kind of agreement. This I think just beginning of the week or something, and the lady said we are happy that have been working with you and we want to do it again. I said yes, of course. And they give me 2 pair of shoes, and I asked, what can I get? This before they answer me, I said I like a bag. So they say because of our cooperation, previous cooperation, good cooperation, they give me 1 extra. I am so happy. Let's see it. Oh, I think this is exactly what I want. Are we going to see it? Let me put on my... Do I look good? If not, it's okay. I am not looking good for you, for myself. Oh, okay, here we are. Let's take a look. And for this part, I am doing a voice over because there is this magnetic or static sound. The microphone got into trouble, maybe because I didn't connect it very well. Anyway, so I am doing some voice over. It may not frame to frame that coherent with the image, but you get the idea. It's just about telling you what is going on. So it's been more than 5 years maybe. I never buy any new shoes. Oh, look at it. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I love it. I love it. And this pair of shoes is walking shoes. And I want something a little bit different. I have some shoes, some pairs of shoes that is uniform, one color. For example, red color, pink color, or yellow color. I was thinking maybe I can have something with design. Oh, look at this one. And anyway, they are free, because these are gifts. These are winner unboxing, so I can be a little bit unpractical. Just choose the most fun and interesting thing. Anyway, I do not spend money, right? And let's see this pair of green one. And oh, it's so comfortable. You know, when I buy these kind of shoes, the pointed toe shoes, I usually buy half size larger. And this one I didn't choose half size larger because on the side of the shoes, on the side of the shoe is opening. So I was thinking there might be some room for elasticity or just less strained. And I was exactly right. This is just the right size or a little bit tighter than just the right size, but I can wear it so very comfortable because on the side there is opening and just so good. And I do know, oh, Gugu is here, oh, TT is here. Did you see TT? So I am wearing this pair of pants. It does not match that well, but I do have a pure green dress and another green dress that can match with the color. Another day, maybe we will do an outfit of the day with the right matching color for this pair of shoes. It deserves to have a pair of dedicated shoes, right? And the red shoes is called walking shoes, and it's very soft and a little bit wide, large. So I also buy a little teeny tiny little bit smaller than if I buy in the usual pointed toe, because I was dancing. I was so happy. This is so comfortable. Yeah, because it's a little bit wide and a little bit soft, a lot of room inside, and it's just so very comfortable. You cannot not to dance. You cannot not to run. You cannot not to walk. And it's absolutely a pleasure to walk. I remember there were times I was, maybe that's 10 years ago or something, I like some shoes and I bought them, but they are on sale and a teeny tiny little bit tight for me. In any case, I bought it and then I wear it, and it was such a torture, to the degree there was one day I decide I go to Costco, bought a pair of half size larger shoes, and it was absolutely comfortable, and that was the day I start to realize wearing a comfortable pair of shoes is a joy. Look at this bag. And yeah, this bag. Oh yeah, I was thinking, look at my green color. It goes with that pair of shoes. So this bag, I like to wear messenger bag, which is on the one side you hang it over your neck and put on one side like a messenger. That is called messenger. So you do not use only one shoulder. You use one shoulder and cross your body. And I just like it because it frees my hand. I go to work. I have this bag so that I can put my computer. And my old computer was smaller, but this year school gave me a bigger computer or laptop, and the old one does not work. So I was thinking maybe I can have a new bag, and this one just fit perfectly. My computer cannot be put vertically, horizontally. I have to put it vertically, and it just fits in comfortably. Look at it on my side. I can make it long, like some cover up, or I can make it short, which is just so comfortable, and I can free my hand to take this, take that. I put my computer in. Let me see if I can put the computer, the laptop in. Oh, the pewter is not in. Oh, pewter. I can put the pewter sideways or vertically or horizontal, whichever way you say it. It's portrait style. And I can also put my water bottle in. Put the water bottle in is a little bit losing its shape, and I think I will just put the pewter in and put some student sample work, my sample work, some art piece, some folders, binders, like that. And it's so comfortable to walk around, to look around. And this bag has an extra layer. You can put an iPad, you can put a tablet, you can put something else in, or wallet. Anyway, it's a very, very smart design. I like it. And well, as a selling point, this is made by recycled bottle. And however it's made of, it's just such a sleek and such a simple design, nothing extra. I do not like flowers, I do not like digoulignon, all those things. I just like it simple, and this perfectly simple and easy. Oh, I love it. Bisous, 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 bisous. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Go, bye bye.